Hey everyone, this tiny house was designed by Antonis with a dimension around 7.7 and 4.65 meter with wall construction in the form of 100 mm thick sandwich panels, which allows for cost savings and energy efficiency. The size of the tiny house is relatively small but still functional for small families who want to live here for the long term. The roof shape of this tiny house is quite simple but gives an iconic impression with the right material covering like this. One of the elegant impression of this tiny house is the dark and slightly glossy color with several openings in the form of doors at the front and windows on all sides of the building. An interior with a combination of dark and light color like this gives the impression of being spacious and bright but not monotonous with just one color, just making the interior more attractive from a visual perspective. The living room maximizes the entire width the tiny house so that it feels spacious in the limited space and is also right near the window opening, which is wide enough to allow for sufficient daylighting in this room. With a sofa with a capacity of 3 until 4 seats, it can accommodate the needs of the small family who lives here. A table with wheels on all its legs makes it easier to move furniture in this living room element. The kitchen area is quite small, but with an arrangement like this is quite complete with various facilities including tables and bar chairs, giving it exclusive impression anyway. In terms of position, the bathroom is located under the loft bed. This is a creative arrangement from the designer because it is able to maximize and optimize the space in the tiny house to be effective and efficient but also quite good circulation. This bathroom is quite spacious and can accommodate various functions such as a sink, toilet, shower cabin with a glass partition, and washing machine inside, so the hospitality need remain well accommodated. The loft bed area also maximizes the width of the tiny house building so that it can accommodate various furniture such as a queen-size bed, a work desk that face the living room void and window, and a wardrobe is quite wide, around 3 meters with window openings on the side of this loft bed is sufficient for daylighting needs. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this is useful for college and provide inspiration for college who are arranging their tiny houses, even those who want to build your own tiny house. Thank you and see you in the next video.